Dear students, welcome to our English class. We are learning English grammar. Our unit is grammar. Today's subunit is make exclamatory into assertive. उद्गारवाचक वाक्याचे विधानार्थी वाक्यात रूपांतर करणे. Now you observe the following pair of sentence. खाली दिलेल्या वाक्याच्या जोडीचे निरीक्षण करा. What a clever boy. He is clever boy. शब्द अधोरेखित केलेले आहेत, विशेषण आणि नाम. Answer: he is a very clever boy. You will notice that as it is assertive sentence, the word what has been removed and the sentence begins with subject and verb. What शब्द काढून टाकलाय. विधानार्थी वाक्य असल्यामुळे he is या कर्ता क्रियापदाने सुरुवात झाली. Then article a has been taken. नंतर article घेतले. The words like very, extremely, such, indeed हे शब्द आपण स्ट्रॉंग इमोशन्स व्यक्त करण्यासाठी वापरतो, म्हणून व्हेरी हा शब्द वापरला. बिकॉज स्ट्रॉंग इमोशन्स आर एक्सप्रेस्ड इन एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेन्स. उद्गारवाचक वाक्यात आपण तीव्र भावना व्यक्त करत असतो. देन ॲडजेक्टिव्ह अँड नाऊन हॅव बीन यूज्ड. नंतर विशेषण आणि नाम वापरलं आहे. देन वी पुट द फुल स्टॉप. नंतर पूर्णविराम दिला आहे. इन धिस वे we have got the first structure, that is subject plus verb plus a oblique and plus the words like very plus adjective noun. Now observe the following pair of sentence. आता खाली दिलेल्या वाक्याच्या जोडीचे निरीक्षण करा. How happy he is. The word happy is adjective which is underlined here. Answer: he is very happy. Here you will notice that again the word how has been removed and the sentence begins with he is subject and verb. वाक्याची सुरुवात कर्ता क्रियापदाने झाली. how निघून गेलाय. and as there is only adjective, we will not take any article. आपण आर्टिकल घेणार नाही विशेषण असल्यामुळे we will use very to express strong emotions and then adjective happy, then full stop. We get the second structure here, subject plus verb plus the words like very plus adjective plus full stop. In this way we got the two structures. Structure 1, subject plus verb plus a oblique and plus the words like very to express strong emotions plus adjective noun plus full stop. We got the second structure, subject plus verb plus the words like very to express strong emotions plus adjective plus full stop. By using these two structures, you can change many exclamatory sentence into assertives. या दोन्ही रचनाचा आपल्याला वापर करता येऊ शकतो. Now see the practice examples. 1. What an able craftsman he is. The answer may be like this. We will take the subject verb in the beginning. He is. Then a very. We use the word very to express strong emotions, but as it begins with consonant, we will use the article a. Consonantने सुरुवात होत असल्यामुळे article a वापरणार. Then able craftsman, adjective and noun ते आपण घेणार आणि नंतर full stop पूर्णविराम देणार. See the second sentence, what a fun. या वाक्यात subject verb आलेलं नाही, म्हणून we will begin the sentence with it is. आणि फनच्या अगोदर आपण ग्रेट हा शब्द वापरत असतो, म्हणून अ ग्रेट and then we'll use the word fun and then full stop. See the next examples. Use the second structure here, how miserable I was. Sentence will begin I was, then we use the word very to express strong emotions, then miserable. Now see the next sentence, how odd. We will begin the sentence with it is because first sentence does not end with any subject and verb. Then use very to express strong emotions, then odd, then full stop. In this way, I hope you have understood how to make exclamatory into assertive. Thank you for watching this video very carefully. Dear